What's cooking? Unraveling the essence of casual English phrases. Hello, and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're diving into the intriguing world of casual English phrases, focusing on the expression, "What's cooking?" This phrase is more than just about food. It's a gateway to understanding informal English communication. So, let's get started and explore the nuances of this interesting expression. What's cooking is a colloquial phrase that goes beyond its literal meaning. While it can indeed be used to inquire about what someone is cooking in the kitchen, it's more commonly used as a friendly, informal greeting. It's akin to asking, "What's happening?" or "What's going on?" This phrase reflects a casual curiosity about someone's activities or life in general. The usage of "what's cooking" is key to understanding its meaning. It's typically used in informal settings, like between friends or close colleagues. It's not appropriate for formal situations. You might hear it in casual conversations, at a party, or in a relaxed work environment. It's a way to initiate a conversation and show interest in the other person's life. Let's look at some examples to see how this phrase is used in everyday conversation. 1. At a gathering, "Hey, John. Long time no see. What's cooking?" 2. Between friends, "I just dropped by your place. What's cooking?" 3. In a casual work environment, "Morning, everyone. What's cooking in the office today?" These examples demonstrate the phrase's versatility as a conversation starter. Interestingly, "what's cooking" can have different connotations in various English-speaking cultures. While it's widely understood, the frequency of its use might vary. In some places, similar phrases like, "What's up?" or "What's going on?" might be more common. Understanding these cultural nuances is crucial for English learners to grasp the diversity of casual English speech. And that's a wrap on our exploration of "what's cooking." This phrase is a perfect example of how English can be playful and informal. We hope this video has shed light on not just the meaning of the phrase but also its usage and cultural context. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be cooking up your own English phrases with ease. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.